Everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. Thank you for your love and support always. So today I share with you how to make this beautiful beaded necklace. If you have pearl bead or crystal bead, you can make this simple beaded necklace. So if this is what you have been looking for, kindly give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, turn on the post notification bell, and let's dive into the video. So the materials needed are on the screen. You can check it out. We have our size 4 pearl bead, size 4 crystal bead, size 8 crystal bead, our hook, chain, jump rings, and then walking needle. And also we have our pliers and then our Fireline size 40 mm, okay, 0.40. Now cut your Fireline the length you can comfortably work with. Pick the hook, okay, and insert the Fireline, one side of the Fireline in the hook, and pull it down. Once you pull it down, make sure it is in the middle of the Fireline. All right, now hold both ends of the Fireline, pick one pearl bead and insert both line into the pearl bead. As you can see, both line into the pearl bead. Now hold both ends of the line, divide it into two. Pick two size 4 pearl bead, insert one in the right hand line, one in the left hand line, drop it, pick one pearl bead size 4, and then cross both line in this pearl bead as you can see me do, and pull it down. This is it. You interlock it like so. So pull it down. This is what your work should look like. Okay, now the next thing to do is to pick two size 8 crystal bead, insert one in the right hand line, one in the left hand line, and drop it. Okay, now pick size 4 pearl bead, insert one in the right hand line, one in the left hand line, just like so, and drop it. Now pick two size 8 crystal bead, insert one in the right hand line, one in the left hand line, and drop it. Now you are going to pick one size 4 pearl bead and cross both line in this pearl bead just like so. Okay, cross it just like so and pull it down. All right, so once you pull it down, this is what your work should look like. Now pick both ends of the line again, pick two size 4 pearl bead, insert one in the right hand line, one in the left hand line, drop it. Okay, so now you are going to pick one size 4 pearl bead and cross both line in it just like so and pull it down. So once you pull it down, as you can see, we have a 4 bead of size 4 pearl bead right there. So the next thing to do is to pick size 8 crystal bead. All right, insert one in the right hand line, one in the left hand line, just like so, and drop it. Pick two size 4 pearl bead, insert one in the right hand line, one in the left hand line, drop it. Okay, so now you're going to pick two size 8 crystal bead, one in the right hand line, one in the left hand line, drop it. Pick one size 4 pearl bead and cross both line in it just as we have been doing. Okay, and pull it down. Once you pull it down, this is what you have. You can see that we have just one size 4 pearl bead in the middle there. Now we are going to make it to be 4. Pick two size 4 pearl bead, insert one in the right hand line, one in the left hand line, drop it. Pick one size 4 pearl bead and cross both line in this one pearl bead just like so and pull it down. Now once you pull it down, you can see we have 4 of the size 4 pearl bead right there. Repeat the same process. Pick size 8 crystal bead, insert one in the right hand line, one in the left hand line, drop it. Pick two size 4 pearl bead, insert one in the right hand line, one in the left hand line, and drop it. Pick two size 4 crystal bead, insert one in the right hand, one in the left hand, drop it, pick one size 4 pearl bead and cross both line in it like so and drop it. Now we continue the same process. We are going to make that pearl bead to be 4. Okay, so now we pick 2 size 4 pearl bead and then repeat the same process, drop it, pick one size 4 pearl bead, cross both line in it like so and then drop it just like so. So we continue this process until we get to the length that we want. Okay, so now we have beat to the length that we want. Now we are going to do what? Pick one of the Fireline and cross it in the pear bead. Pick the second part and work it through the rest of the pear bead until both line meet in on this point, okay, because we are going to knot it. All right, so if you are still watching my video up to this point and you are yet to give it a thumbs up, oh, what are you waiting for? Kindly give this video a thumbs up, leave me your comment, okay? And if you are new to my channel, you are highly welcome. Thank you for stopping by. Kindly give subscribe to this channel and turn on the post notification bell. So now we have knot in this point. The next thing to do now is to pick just one part of the line, okay, and work it through the pear beads. Okay, work it through the 4 pear beads because we are going to cut that one part out. Okay, so now that we have passed that one line through the 4 pearl beads, okay, we are going to cut it out. All right. Now that we have cut this out, we have just one of the Fireline remaining. We are going to use that for our finishing. Okay, so let's continue what we are doing. Please pay close attention. The next thing we are going to do now is to beautify it, to insert more beads to form a kind of a drop. All right, I hope this makes sense. But before we do that, we are going to fix our hook. Okay, so I pick the hook and insert the chain in it, and now the next thing to do is to pass it through the side Fireline. Now, not the bead, just walk it through the Fireline just like so and close it up. So this is what your work should look like. Okay, see how beautiful it is. Okay, just close it up and awesome, it's so beautiful. Okay, very easy to make. You can do this yourself. Now with our Fireline, the one we did not cut out, insert it into your needle and work it through the next size 8 crystal bead and also the size 4 pearl bead, just like so. Pull it. Okay, now we are going to pick 4 crystal bead, 1 pearl bead and 4 crystal bead, as you can see. Pull it down. Now the next thing to do, skip this size 4 pearl bead and work your needle through the second one, this one right there. Okay, and work your needle through it like so, and pull it. So this is what your work should look like. This is what we want to make. Repeat the same process. Pick 4 crystal bead, 1 pearl bead and 4 crystal bead. Skip this one and work your needle through the next pearl bead in between the size 8 crystal bead. Okay, If you are here to give it a thumbs up, please kindly do. Your thumbs up is very important for this video, okay? So we repeat the same process until we get to the end part of our beautiful necklace. See how beautiful it is. So if you have size 8 crystal bead and size 4, if you have size 8 pearl bead and size 4 crystal bead, you can make this lovely design. Okay, so now I walk my needle through the pearl beads, okay, just like so. Just keep watching. Now we are going to knot it. So after knotting, like I always say in my tutorial, after knotting, you don't cut it where you knot. You have to secure your fire line. Okay, so after I knot it, I'm going to secure it by working it through some beads. Okay, to secure your line, you work it through some beads. Okay, and that is what I am doing right here. So I want to say a very big thank you to you for watching my video to the end. May God bless you. Please share this out. Give me a thumbs up. Leave me your comment. It is very important. I would love to read your comments in the comment section. If you have any question, go ahead and ask me, okay? And I'm willing to answer every of your questions, okay? So now that I have secured my fire line, I am going to cut it out. And that is that. We are done. Beautiful. Thank you so much for watching my video. God bless you. And I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.